There's a little bit of a mess. Then I let my net down. It came down with a plop, and I had them at last. Those two things had to stop. Then I said to the cat, "Now, you do as I say. Pack up those things, and you take them away." "Oh dear," said the cat, "you did not like our game. Oh dear, what a shame, what a shame, what a shame." Then he shut up the things in the box with the hook, and the cat went away with a sad kind of look. "That is good," said the fish, "he has gone away." "Yes, but your mother will come. She will find this big mess, and this mess is so big and so deep and so tall, we cannot pick it up. There is no way at all." And then, who was back in the house? Why, the cat. "Have no fear of this mess," said the cat in the hat. "I always pick up all my playthings, and so I will show you another good trick that I know." He came back with a special cleaning machine. Then we saw him pick up all the things that were down. He picked up the cake and the rake and the gown and the milk and the strings and the books and the dish and the fan and the cup and the ship and the fish, and he put them away. Then he said, "That is that," and then he was gone with the tip of his hat. And the kids were happy. He cleaned up his mess. I think their mom is going to be also happy. Then our mother came in, and she said to us too, "Did you have any fun? Tell me, what did you do?" And Sally and I did not know what to say. Should we tell her the things that went on there that day? Should we tell her about it? Now, what should we do? Well, what would you do if your mother asked you? The end. Okay, so thanks for stopping by. Thanks for listening to The Cat in the Hat, read by me in my kitchen. And I hope you'll stop by another time for another children's book story or something else. I wish you a good day. Thanks for visiting me in my kitchen. Bye.